Hi everyone, Dumelang Tsakafata here, and welcome to another video of Losika Writes Teaching How to Speak Setswana or Sing in Setswana. Today I'll be teaching you lullabies. I have one that I have to admit I have no idea what it means. Well, I understand the last sentence, but I don't actually know what the first one is. So I will sing it, and I'm hoping someone out there can translate it and put it in the description bar below. Don't judge the vocals. This is me just trying to help. Let's get to it. So it goes like this. Antutulele, antutulele, nnana robala, nnana robala. So nnana robala is baby go to sleep. So hush little one, go to sleep. But I don't know what antutulele means. I'm not sure if it's like harmonizing or it's just like la-di-da-di-da, baby go to sleep, la-di-da-di-da. If anyone knows if there's an actual formal translation, help a sister out down below. But yeah, that's the song. I'll sing it again. Antutulele, antutulele, nnana robala, nnana robala. That's it. See you next time.